In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Citizens Access customer support using three different methods: phone, chat, and email. Whether you have a question about an account, need technical support, or have any other inquiry, getting in touch with the customer support team at Citizens Access is straightforward. Let's dive in and take it step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to your search engine, be it Google, Bing, or another choice, and type in Citizens Access Bank. This will bring up several search results related to Citizens Access. What you'll want to do is look for the link that says Citizens Access, Savings Accounts, Refinancing, and Home. Click on that link and it will take you to the Citizens Access homepage. Now that you're on the homepage, the next thing you need to do is locate the Help section. This is usually found either in the top menu or somewhere toward the bottom of the page. It often varies depending on website updates or redesigns. Clicking on Help will guide you to a page dedicated to customer assistance, featuring a variety of topics and support options. After you're on the Help page, scroll around to find the option that says Contact Us. Clicking here will lead you into a more detailed menu outlining several ways you can reach out for support. Generally, you'll see options that include direct phone numbers for assistance, as well as email forms, and sometimes even a live chat option if available. When contacting via phone, make sure to have any necessary account information ready, as it will make the process smoother. For email inquiries, take your time to fill out all relevant fields with your information and detailed descriptions of your issue or query. This helps the support team address your concern more efficiently. In addition to these standard contact methods, Citizens Access sometimes provides additional support resources like FAQs or helpful guides to address common questions. Be sure to check these out. They can be helpful for quick resolutions without needing to directly contact someone. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily reach out to Citizens Access customer support to have your questions answered or issues resolved. As always, make sure your personal information is secure before sharing it through any channel to protect your privacy. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on navigating banking services and customer support essentials. Until next time, happy banking.